ब्लड फ्लो एरिथ्रियम में इस तरीके से। और उसके बाद ये फिर लेफ्ट एट्रियम में फ्लो करता है।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। क्या बनाए?
I am Sanauzia. I am Shabna. We are from 6th class. We are from 6th. This my project is human body. This is body. This is venous. This is muscle.
जोर से बोलो थोड़ा सा।
This is lungs. This is heart. This is backbone. This is largest intestine. This is kidney. The human body is a single structure, but it is made up of billions of smaller structures of four major kinds: cells, tissues, organs, and an organ is an organization of several different kinds of tissues, so arranged that together they can perform as a special function. Brain. The brain is the body's control center. Heart. The heart is the most important organ in circulatory system, which helps deliver blood in the digest food. Lungs. The lungs work with the heart to oxygenate blood. Kidney. These are kidneys. They are located on the other side of the back. Stomach. This J-shaped organ is known as stomach. Near the top of abdomen, muscles of the stomach. This helps break down and digest food. Intestine. This is intestine are the group of tubes that help filter and waste, absorb water, certainly electrolyte, and digest food. Liver. The liver is the most important organ of the metabolic system. It helps convert into nutrients at usable substance, at producing bile, helping the body filter out toxic substance, making cholesterol.
इन बच्चों के नाम की ताली बजाओ भाई। वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया भाई, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
सही कर रहे हो, बस आपने ही देखना है कि आपको नर्वस नहीं होना है।
We are from 8th class. Our
जी बेटा,
brain is brain.
आप क्या कर रहे
Brain
हो?
is a complex organ that holds memory, thoughts, emotion, temperature, breathing, hunger, and every process that regulates our body together. The brain and spinal cord that often to from make up nervous system,
जोर से बोलो,
nervous system or CNS.
इसमें समझाओ, इसमें बताओ।
Brain divided into three parts: forebrain, hindbrain और midbrain. इनके three parts है। brain के three part में divide किया है: forebrain में, midbrain में और hindbrain में।
फ्लूइड कौन सा मारा है इसमें? अब ब्रेन में फ्लूइड रहे ना। CSF, cerebrospinal fluid.
Created by pressure into the cylinder. The gate ram reciprocate.
इसे चला के दिखाओ।
बहुत अच्छा जी।
ये इसके डबल हेलिक्स होती है, क्रिएट सेल में पाया जाता है डीएनए। डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड इज ए पॉलीमर कंपोज ऑफ टू polynucleotide chain that coil around each other to form a double helix. The polymer carries genetic instructions from the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. DNA and ribonucleic acid are nucleic acid.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Good morning, sir. My name is Karam. I am from class 6. This is my project, dental structure. Teeth is the hardest organ of our body. Teeth serve essential function in the digestion and oral health.
They physically break down through chewing, increasing its surface area for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. The four types of teeth are incisors, canine, premolar, and molars. Most notably, the molars. The molars are adopted for various roles in tearing, cutting, grinding, and crushing the food. Additionally, they contribute to facial structure and aesthetics. Thank you.
वेरी बहुत बढ़िया
From 7th class, this is my structure of eye. ये जो हमारी आई है आउटर आई है हमारी बाहर की आई, और ये जो हमारी आई है ये इनर आई है हमारी अंदर की आई। यहाँ से इस पर पैर होने पे से इस पर आई की रेस पड़ती है और इस पर रेटिना पे जाती है। रेटिना हमारी उल्टी इमेज बनाता है और ये हमारे माइंड
जोर से बोलो।
ये हमारे माइंड को अलर्ट करता है और हमारा माइंड जो है इसे इमेज को सीधी बनाता है। Our eye enable us to see the beautiful world around us. Eye is one of the most important sense organ. Our eye are shaped in like a ball. The front of the eye is covered by a transparent spherical.
Function of retina.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
जोर से बोले, जोर से।
7th class. Our project is Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched at 2 hours 35 minutes from the city. The were performed successful safety landing on the moon at 6 hours 30 p.m. 24 August. After performing various in situ experiment, the rover was put off sleep on 2nd September 2023. After the landing of south surface of the moon, first country of India, lander name is Vikram, lander rover name is Triangle.
थैंक यू बेटा
बेटा जोर से बोलेंगे, है ना।
Sir, I am Sophia. My name is Fareen.
परी
Fareen.
जी
My study in 3rd class.
जी क्या बनाया आपने ये
Spaceship.
जी
A creature from outer space known as extraterrestrial or alien. Alien are best known for exploring in spaceship. They usually land their spacecrafts in remote area and like to find out about the planet they are visiting. Thank you.
खुश आप भी खुश हो आगे से आप बात करोगे इनकी जगह करेंगे
I am study 6th class.
जी सफिया क्या बनाया आपने
Layer of earth.
जी
The earth is made up of 3 different layers: crust, mantle, core. This is the outside layer of the earth. Is made mostly basalt and granite.
The crust is the topmost layers and consists of rocks, minerals, and all other land and oceanic forms. The layers extend to around 30-40 kilometers around the earth in total, and the temperature is also the coldest when compared to the core.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा
I am Kashmir.
जी
I study 7th class.
ठीक है बताए बेटा
Layer of atmosphere. Earth has 5 layers, major and 7 secondary to highest, and 7 secondary layer. First troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere.
Troposphere extend from Earth's surface to on average about 12 kilometers and 7.5 miles. On average, tasked with holding this very shallow layer is needed for photosynthesis and animal to breathe. Contain also 49% of water vapor. Stratosphere, this layer stratosphere below approximately 12 and 50 kilometers, 7.5 miles, and about Earth's surface. This layer
protects up from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation.
बहुत बढ़िया जी बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग।
I am from 6th class.
जी
My name is Arjun.
My name
जोर से बोलिए।
अर्जुन, क्या तैयार किया आपने?
Sir, what is Aditya L1? Aditya L1 PCLV rocket. PCLV is full form
जी
Polar System Launch Vehicle.
जी
Polar System Launch Vehicle. Aditya L1 is India's first mission to the sun is being scheduled for an early 2020 on a PSLV XL rocket from Sriharkota.
थैंक यू।
ये चला के दिखाइए भाई।
ओके